Hello, dear students. You are welcome in RK Institute, and I am Dr. RK Saini. Today, I am going to discuss IUPAC name of alkenes. IUPAC name of alkenes. Alkenes are those hydrocarbon which represent by a general formula of CnH2n and a carbon-carbon double bond present in their structure. For example, C2H4 is an alkene and its structure is H2C2. And as its IUPAC name, like as alkene, we write name of alk. Carbon 2 is known as eth, and the suffix of alkene is ene, and as it is known as ethene in IUPAC system. For a given structure, we use following rules for their IUPAC name. First of all, rule first, we select a longest chain which contain carbon-carbon double bond. For example, in given structure, the principal chain carry carbon atom because double bond must be present in principal chain. Rule second, minimum position given to the multiple bond. Like as double bond and triple bond, first of all we discuss double bond. Therefore, position first given to the double bonded carbon atom. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rule third, order of naming. We write name of substituent. We write name of substituent alphabetically. Then write alk or root word. Root word means number of carbon atom in principal chain, and finally we use suffix of alkene, and the suffix of alkene is ene. For example, in this question, its IUPAC name is 2-ethyl carbon 4 principal chain में, and hence is known as bute, 2-ethyl bute, and their position of multiple bond is first, and hence 2-ethyl bute first ene is its IUPAC name. Next, write IUPAC name of following alkenes. Write IUPAC name of following alkenes. First of all, we select principal chain which contain carbon-carbon double bond and maximum number of carbon atom, and hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon are there in principal chain, and I may give minimum position to the multiple bond. Therefore, we start numbering from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. First of all, we write name of substituent, namely 4-methyl, 5-methyl and 6-methyl. Therefore, their position 4, 5 and 6. Trimethyl, because comes 3 times. Trimethyl. Root word is known, and the position of double bond is 2. Therefore, known 2E. Its IUPAC name. Next question. Write IUPAC name of following alkene. First of all, we select principal chain of the compound and give position. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If identical position occupy of the double bond, then we give priority to that substituent which come first in alphabetical order. For example, this substituent is methyl and that one is ethyl. Therefore, we start number from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And hence, write name of substituent first, particularly 5-methyl, 6-methyl, total 10 carbon are there, and 10 carbon represented by DAC, and the position of double bond is 5, DAC 5E. in its IUPAC name. Its IUPAC name. If substituent are also present in the compound, then we give priority to the multiple bond, particularly double bond. Means minimum position to the given double bond. For example, right IUPAC name of this compound. First of all, we select longest chain in which multiple bond must be present and give minimum position to the double bond. Therefore, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write name of substituent alphabetically. And hence 3 chloro, 4 methyl, 3 chloro, 4 methyl. Total 5 carbon are there in parent chain, and the 5 carbon root word is pent, and the position of multiple bond is first, and hence pent first ene, or simply write as first pentane. These are the name of alkene. Now we discuss IUPAC name of polyenes. IUPAC name of polyenes. Polyenes are those hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon double bond more than one time. Carbon-carbon double bond more than one time. And hence order of naming. First of all, we write name of substituent alphabetically. Substituents alphabetically. Name of substituent alphabetically. Then write alka. Write alka as a root word. As a root word. Means number of carbon. For example, if 4 carbon present in the parent chain, then we use buta. 5 carbon, penta, etc. Alka. Then write diene, triene, tetraene, etc. Suffix for polyene. Polyene. Suffix for polyene. Poly means multiple bond times of multiple bond. If double bond comes 2 times, then we use diene, 3 times, then triene and tetraene for example. Write IUPAC name of following alka diene. First, we select longest chain with maximum substitution and give minimum position to the multiple bond, and their position compare one by one. And hence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, its IUPAC name is hexa. It has no substituent. Therefore, we write alka, means 6 carbon present in their parent chain. Therefore, their alka is hexa. And position of multiple bond, represent position of double bond, is 1, 3, 1,3 diene. Therefore, its IUPAC name is hexa 1,3 diene. Similarly, another question. We discuss another question. For example, first of all, we select principal chain in which maximum unsaturation as well as longest chain and contain maximum substituent. 3 conditions are there: longest chain with maximum substitution and maximum number of unsaturation. For example, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbon are there. And then give minimum position to the multiple bond. If we start number from there, then the position of double bond is 4, 2, 3 and 4. When we start number from this end, then the multiple bond occupies second position. Therefore, it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. Total 11 carbons present in the principal chain. 2 carbons are there. First, we write name of substituent alphabetically. For example, the name of substituent at carbon 5 is ethyl, and name of substituent at carbon 4 and 9 is methyl, and hence we write name of ethyl first. 5-ethyl alphabetically. 5-ethyl, 4,9 dimethyl. Then write alka. Alka means total number of carbon atom in present chain. 11 carbon denoted by undec. Therefore, alka is undeca. And the position of multiple bond is 2 and 7. Represent undeca 2,7-diene in its IUPAC name. These are the IUPAC name of polyenes. Now, I am going to discuss IUPAC name of alkynes. Now, I am going to discuss IUPAC name of alkynes. Dear students, alkynes are those hydrocarbons which represent by a general formula of CN H2n-2 and a carbon-carbon triple bond present in their structure. These are known as alkynes. We use similar rules like as alkene in their nomenclature. For example, we write name. So first of all, we select principal chain in which carbon-carbon triple bond must be included and give minimum position to the carbon-carbon triple bond. And the order of naming is similar like as alkene. First of all, we write name of substituent alphabetically. Then write root word means alk, number of carbon atom, and then use suffix. And the suffix of alkene is -ine. And as the order of naming, we write name of substituents alphabetically. Then write name of alk. Alk means root word means number of carbon atom in principal chain including triple bond, and then use suffix of triple bond, and the suffix of triple bond is -ine. For example, simple, write IUPAC name of this alkyne. First of all, we confirm given compound is alkyne or a not. Therefore, when we write N is 3, then number of hydrogen atom N is 3, then number of hydrogen atom are 4, and hence it is a alkyne. Therefore, its IUPAC name we write alk means prop and use suffix -ine. Therefore, its IUPAC name is propyne. And its structure is as carbon-carbon triple bond must be present in their structure. Next question. Write IUPAC name of following compound. Dear students, in case of carbon-carbon triple bond, carbon has sp hybridization. Therefore, their bond angle is 180 degree and hence represent as such. First, we write principal chain with maximum substitution including carbon-carbon triple bond, and hence number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 9, 10 maybe 9 or maybe 10. Therefore, total 10 carbons are there in root word or in alk. First of all, we write name of substituent alphabetically. In position 5th and 6th, the substituent is methyl, and 7 is ethyl, and 8th is also ethyl. Therefore, name 7 and 8. 7,8 diethyl. 5,6 dimethyl. Alphabetically, dimethyl. Total 10 carbons are there. Therefore, the 10 carbon alk is dec, and their position is 2, and hence it is known as DAC 2 ion. It is IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC name of this compound. Question next. Write IUPAC name of following compound. As it. First, we select principal chain in which carbon-carbon triple bond must be there, and as number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and total 12 carbons are there. The name of substituent, this radical is known as chloromethyl. This radical is known as chloromethyl. That one is methyl, and its hydrogen is replaced by Cl. Therefore, it is known as complex radical or substituted substituent. And we write their name is chloromethyl. And this one at position 6, it is ethyl, but its hydrogen from first carbon is replaced by Cl. Therefore, it is known as first chloroethyl. It is chloromethyl. Its first chloroethyl. This substituent is ethyl, and that one is also chloromethyl, and hence we write name of substituent first alphabetically. Therefore, its IUPAC name is chloroethyl. Alphabetically first, then chloromethyl, and hence its position is 6. Therefore, its name is 6 1- chloroethyl. At carbon 5th and carbon 9 carry chloromethyl. These are the complex or substituent, and hence we use bis, tris, tetra, kiso, etc. 5, 6 bis chloromethyl. These are the name of substituent 5, 6, 8, and 9. Then write name of ethyl present at the carbon 8 ethyl. These are the substituent in alphabetically, and then write alk. Total 12 carbon are there in principal chain. Therefore, we use dodec. Then we use dodec for 12 carbon, and the position of triple bond is 2. Dodec 2, and their suffix is -ine. And it is the complete IUPAC name of given alkyne with substitution. Now we discuss IUPAC name of alka polyion. Or we can say polyion. IUPAC name of polyions. Similarly, means those unsaturated compound which contain carbon-carbon triple bond more than one time are known as polyions. Carbon-carbon triple bond more than one times are known as polyions, and hence we use suffix polyion and right root word is alka. Therefore, their order of naming is similar. First of all, we write name of substituent alphabetically. Then we use alka as a root word and use polyion as a suffix. If double triple bond comes 2 times, then poly means diion. If 3 times, then is triion, etc. For example, write IUPAC name of this alkyne. No substitution because 4 valency are there. Write IUPAC name of this alkyne. First of all, we select principal chain with maximum unsaturation. Then give minimum position to the multiple bond, where the position 1, then substituent occupy third position, where position 1, 2, 3, then substituent occupy third position. If identical position of the substituent, then we write minimum position to that substituent which come first in alphabetical order, and hence we start number from the here end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and write name of substituent alphabetically, namely 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 4-methyl. Total 6 carbon are there, and the 6 carbon alkyl is known as hexa, and the position of triple bond is 1 and 5. So 1, 5 diion. It is the IUPAC name of this alkyne. That's all for today, and I will discuss IUPAC name in another class. Thank you.